The conditions out here today are far less than ideal. We're under a wind advisory right now for gusts up to 50 miles an hour. I just decided to take a quick walk up this stretch of beach here just to see if I could find anything, and I can't believe it that I did. Nice. Yeah, that's glass, aqua glass. Ha, I am shocked. So, all right, we'll go a little bit further here and I'll go somewhere else. This is huge, 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 huge. Right there. This is how close I am to the water. So, wow, all right. This has been worth it so far. The rocks look awesome. Okay, I'll be back. Well, just a couple more feet and right there. Piece of a bottle. I can't believe it. Well, that was luck. Guys, this is crazy. That's another huge piece. Nice. Okay, keep looking here. Well, I just scored big time. These waves must have been huge last night. Look. Nice. A little beat up, but that's awesome. Yeah. Crazy. Yeah. All right. Well, hey everyone. So I really didn't have anything else to do today, which is a good thing, aside from go out to my favorite local beach up here in Northeast Wisconsin. And aside from getting literally sandblasted in the wind, I mean, oh my gosh, my face is raw. It's a little bit from the sun, but the rest is from this blowing, the southwest winds that we had were crazy today. So I did find, and I'm happy with these pieces of beach glass. They are huge. And yeah, I said huge, I think 7 times in the clips that I had earlier out there. That's what this stuff is. All right, see, this is the super beach worn frosty beach glass. Not just a fresh piece of glass you'd pick up on the ground, you know. But when it's wet, it's much prettier. So I'm going to put some oil on these, and this one really actually doesn't need it. Well, I probably could if I want it to look clear, but whatever. It's beach glass. It's all awesome to me. So that's what I got. Not a whole lot. Some weird metals today. Do you believe that is brass? No clue what that would be from. This is kind of cool, and obviously it's a piece of junk. But it says Christian Brothers. And I had to look this up. It's actually a kind of brandy. Go figure. This is Wisconsin. So, I don't know. That's, I'm assuming, pretty old. And this, I saw it sticking up out of the rocks like that. I'm like, ooh, it's like a rifle casing or something from a 22. But no, it's from some kind of electronic device. And I think it looks like a foot with a boot. That's fun. No idea what that is. And then my lure. It's a Smithwick Perfect 10. And the waves either had to have been huge overnight last night, because the last time I was actually out there was Thursday, and this was not in that area. Or somehow we rode it off the cliff. But the way that algae was kind of fresh in the hooks. I don't know. That's kind of a mystery to me, but I'm going to use this thing. Yeah, it's a little beat up, but that's actually, the hooks are awesome still. I'm impressed. It's like an $8, $9 lure. Good find. As far as my rocks go, ancient fossil coral, and it's kind of embedded in some red chert. And out in the sunlight, this thing was shimmering like pink and red. It was beautiful. I can't get it to really do that now. Maybe a little bit. A few more. Cool piece of granite here. I always like finding the black and white ones. And some other stuff. I thought there were possible Lake Superior agates. No, they are not. So, all right, I'm going to show you the best rocks here last. All right, so here are some potential Uberlite finds that I've found. See if you can pick out the ones that you think will have the fluorescent sodalite. Give you a couple seconds there. All right, this surprised me as well. Here we go. Well, okay, turn off this big light. And then just use the little one. There we go. That's the best flashlight. I have Teddy as my assistant right here. Yeah, nothing and nothing. And I couldn't believe it. This thing is awesome. It's probably one of my best, easily. And this is a really nice one too. So, yeah. Oh, what is that? Piece of dust. That's weird. Okay. Well, it's getting late, so there you have it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I don't know when I'll be back soon. Hopefully bottle digging. Okay. Good night.